A Carnot engine operating between temperatures T1 and T2 has efficiency 1 by 6. When T2 is lowered by 62 Kelvin, its efficiency increases to 1 by 3. Then what are T1 and T2? Okay, efficiency of a Carnot engine is given by eta is 1 minus of T2 by T1. T2 represents temperature of sink. T1 represents temperature of the source. So initial efficiency is how much? 1 by 6, which is 1 minus T2 by T1. These are the initial temperatures. Or T2 by T1 is 5 by 6. This is our first equation. Second, now when T2 is lowered by 62 Kelvin, its efficiency increases to 1 by 3. New efficiency is 1 minus new T2 is how much? T2 minus 62 Kelvin by T1. That is 1 by 3 equals to 1 minus of T2 minus 62 by T1, or T2 minus 62 by T1 is 1 minus 1 by 3, which is 2 by 3. This can also be written as T2 by T1 minus 62 by T1 equals to 2 by 3. From first equation, T2 by T1 is 5 by 6 minus 62 by T1. This can be written as 4 by 6, or 1 by 6 equals to 62 by T1, or T1 is 6 into 62, which is 372 Kelvin. This is T1, right? So from here, I can find the value of T2. So T2 is 5 by 6 times of T1, that is 5 by 6 into 372, that is 5 times of 62. That would be 310 Kelvin. This is T2, this is T1. That would be our option D, 372 and 310 Kelvin, right?